Alright, welcome back everybody. It's Big Al here. Got another challenge locking device. It doesn't have a, again, it doesn't have a name or a number to it, but it is by Trekmaster 30. So I will zoom in here a little bit and show you what I'm talking about a little bit. It just came with this taped up key, and it just says pinned by Trekmaster 30. There's no, I checked the kick cylinder real good for a number, any kind of marking. There's no identifier, so it'll be known as the unknown for now. So let's see if we can't get into this bad boy right here. I'm gonna drop my little dude in the bottom because it's a Schlage. So I am gonna, let me get this timer on there. And I'll be using a couple of Sparrows picks because they're like my master keys for these Schlags. And top of the keyway is my favorite. And I'm going to start the timer just for the heck of it. Not that I really care how long it takes, but we don't want no. Alright, we're bouncy up front. Okay, I just got a little freebie click on, I think it was 4. Feels like. Okay, got a baby click off of 5. Yeah, I don't know if that was good or not because it got pretty solid there. I think it was 4. Let that drop, it didn't feel good. It was 1. Felt like 2. 4. Boy, there's a lot of snap, crackle, popping in this thing. And I can tell already I got a, feels like an overset trap in the back. I'm going to try to leave it alone for a second. Let's see if I can use, let's go with this, I might get this out of the bottom here. This SS Dev hook, because I can tell I'm oversetting. Every time I hit that, I want to say it's 5. Maybe, maybe not. Did feel like it. Felt like I was hitting an overset trap. I'm not positive now. Maybe. A whole lot of snap, crackle, pop. Good golly. There we go. Now we got a false set happening at least. See if we can work with that. Definitely got some counter right here in 1. Oh, is that it? Nope, that's not it. Just went into a major false set. Feels like 2 right there. I thought it was. Huh. What did we do? There we go. I don't know what that was. Maybe a T-pin? That was pretty funky. Alright, I'm going to stop this. That was weird. I'm going to guess T-pin maybe I was stuck on. I'm not sure. Let's get a little zoomed out here. And I'll take this bad boy out of here. And set that out of the way. Bada boom, bada bing. And bring the camera down. Right there-ish. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. But we got on top. We got the white one on top this time. Oh, you know what? Actually, I have a... where's it at? Oh, if I can find it real quick. Trekmaster 30. We'll use that one again. Trekmaster lock, Trekmaster pin and tray. Got his logo on it there. Where are we at? Right there. Alright. Bada boom, bada bing. We good in the frame? Yeah, we're good. Alright, so we're very much open. Fair enough. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and leave that key mummified. Unless I happen, well, if I screw this up. Let's see if we can get this off there without screwing things up. Oh yeah, easy breezy. Easy breezy. Okay, so see if I can get a shim in there. Nice. Okay. Pins are going to be up here. Alright, we've got 6 chambers all occupied. Let's see what we got. Okay, some tweezers. These flipped around. Okay, on the, you know what, let me set that down. Get my specs on so I can see good. And we'll take a look at the core. Where we at? Right here. We've got threading in 1, undercut in 2. 3 is a standard, 4 is threaded, 5 is standard, 6 is threaded just at the top. Oh, and so is I guess all these are. They're just threaded. Well, anyways, they're partially threaded. See if we can pick that up. Nice. High res. Okay. Now we're going up top here. Get the shim out of there. Front's already marked with a red marker, it looks like. Okay, let's go over here. Where are we at? Yep. Alright. We've got a serrated in 1. Little steel spring, it looks like. We've got... Ooh, yeah. Let me hold this up. Maybe a wafer pushing it, but I was in there like that. Nice. So I'll set it that way. Let's see, is there a wafer in there? Yep. Little wafer. So drunken spool in 2. Well played, sir. Well played. No wonder it put up a fight. And we've got a spool, almost looks like commercial spool in 3, but he makes pins good, so it could be homemade. Where we at? Over here. 4. 4 is a, what are them? Barrel fligmabob things. I forget what they're called. Where they've got a serration on each end. And 5 is a spool. Another steel spring. We can go to the other side. Is a double serrated. And 6. And another steel spring. Beautiful, just beautiful. Okay, and let me get my pokey. We've got all standard. So the Bible's untouched. Let's see if we can get in there. Alright. Awesome. Stick that over there like so, I guess. And let's take a look at some pins real close. Again, that was unknown by Trekmaster 30. K1 Lock sent it to me. Thank you, sir. And Trekmaster, thank you so much for pinning this bad boy up, man. Highly appreciate it. It'll be going back out to the community very soon here. Okay, we've got a double serrated key pin in number 1, a reduced top on number 2. I'd call that double serrated in 3. Triple serrated in 4. Again, we got this slightly reduced top on this 5th one. Double serrated in 6, key pin. And then drivers, we got a serrated, serrated in 1, drunken spool in 2, regular spool in 3. And then this one here, like I said, I don't know what they're called, maybe barrel or assa-like or something, where it's got the serration on each end. And spool. Spool in 5 and double serrated in 6. And it looks like all the springs are steel, so I believe they're fairly standard. Awesome. Just awesome. Very well made, too. Loved it. Okay. That's it. Big Al signing out.